Well, welcome back. Glad to see you all. Well, here are some of the projects that I've been working on. The charcuterie boards, the ones that I said I was going to show you. Trying to sand. It didn't go as planned. Just a bunch of dropping. So I gave you these pictures of the finished products of sanding. Well, the start of it anyway. Got 2 more rounds. Then we'll be at the end. Hope you enjoy it. Oh yeah, this is all with a jigsaw. So nothing too crazy. Hope you like it. Hope your week is going well. If not,